How to buy REXBT by Virtuals token. So this token came under the symbol of REXBT. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Also, there is referral codes down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply goes below. Fund your account, enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, as you can see, before going out by this token, make sure to check the REX account and keep following the updates about this token. This token, as you can see, it's available on CoinMEXC. To be able to buy this token, it's easy and simple. Click here to copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address is under the Solana network. Now open your funds managed wallet, as you can see. Now click on swap here and make sure that you have enough Solana in white. Now click here and paste the token address. So as you can see, this is our token. Click on it, and here, as you can see, type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive. And after that, select the provider, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information here. Click on swap. After that, you will be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So if you face an issue, go back to this page and switch the slip patch from here, as you can see, or customize, because the most of issues came from the slip patch. And after that, you can go and buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy REXBT token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.